Is Windows convinced someone else is using your printer when nobody actually is? If you're having the same problem, here are some possible fixes. So first, try the simple solution of turning off your printer and then turn it back on to see if that makes a difference. But if that did not work, go to Printers and Scanners, then turn off this option by clicking the Options toggle switch. After that, select your printer in the settings, then click Set as a default option. Then another possible fix is to utilize a print troubleshooter. To do it, open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, and then run the printer troubleshooter. Lastly, start or restart the print spooler by opening Services, find the print spooler service, right-click on it, then select Restart or Start the program if it is not running. And those are the possible fixes in this Windows error code on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.